Now, if you're watching me today, this means that you're very eager to explore French as a language. Now, explore is the right word. What do I mean by it and how is it going to work? Well, in this channel, I am going to introduce you to French as a language, meaning in terms of all the grammar rules, numbers, counting, days, months, and everything and anything you'll require for speaking French fluently and confidently. B, it as a career, meaning in terms of all the opportunities you will find in this stream. And C, in terms of all the exams you can appear for in this language. Now, the motive behind this series is to introduce the first idea, that is French as a language. And this video covers the most basic and common words you use in your daily lives. This video is very basic and you might know the whole of it. But I assure you that in the coming videos, you'll definitely have learnt a lot and you would love to continue further. So let's back up. Now it struck me, why not begin by learning what is French called in French anyway? Well, it's français. Français. Can you say that? Français. Wonderful. Now let's initiate a conversation. I'll begin by saying bonjour. Bonjour, which means hello and good morning. Everybody knows that. This is a formal greeting you can use to greet older people. Now there's yet another way of saying hello in French, and it is said as salut. Salut. It also means goodbye. So there are two ways of saying hello. It's bonjour and salut. Now, if you want to ask someone what their name is, you could say comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Which means what is your name or what are you called technically. And the more formal greeting for this is comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Can you say that? Comment vous appelez-vous? Wonderful. Now, if you want to reply, I would say, my name is Rijak. And it's said as, je m'appelle Rijak. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Can you say that? Je m'appelle. Can you say your name? Wonderful. Now, if you want to ask someone how they are feeling like. Now, tell me, how are you feeling today? Comment ça va? Comment ça va? Which means, how is it going? And the other way of saying it is, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Which means, how are you doing? Or how are you going? And in reply, you could say, ça va. Ça va, which means, I'm fine. Or you could say, ça va bien. I'm well. Ça va bien. Or you could say, ça va mal. Ça va mal. And if you want to say you're okay, you'll say, comme ci, comme ça. Je suis comme ci, comme ça. Which means neither good nor bad. Now, if you're watching me in the evening, I would greet you as bonsoir. Bonsoir, which means good evening. And if you're watching me late at night, I would say bonne nuit. Bonne nuit, which means good night. Now let me ask you, are you a boy? Then you are a garçon in French. Can you say that? Garçon. Garçon, which means you are a boy. Now in reply you could say oui, yes, oui, or non, no. And if you are a girl, then you are Fear. Fear, which means a girl. Now, if you want to thank someone, you could say merci. Merci, which means thank you. Please don't say it messy, fans. It's merci, which means thank you. And the other way of saying it is merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup, which means thank you very much. And finally, you could say goodbye. Au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir. Now, let's recapitulate what we've learned. Bonjour. Bonjour. Salut. Salut. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment ça va? Comment allez-vous? Ça va. Ça va bien. Ça va mal. Je suis comme ci, comme ça. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Garçon. Fille. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Now this brings us to the end of the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.